Hi everyone, I am Andrés Araújo and welcome to another video. This is my What's in my camera bag 2018 version. I know this is a very common video on YouTube, but I wanted to do my own version and share with you what's in my camera bag when I have to go for a shooting or when I have to travel or film a music video and all this stuff that is my daily basis. So yeah, let's start with the video. You will notice that everything I will show you is small because I want to carry everything in this small camera bag that I got from Amazon. And by the way, all the gear I will be showing you will be listed on the description below, so if you want to buy something, there's a link there for each lens, for each light and so on. First and most important, the camera. I'm using right now the Sony a6000. That's the camera that I use for almost all my projects, even commercial projects, YouTube videos. All the videos that you have seen in my channel are shot with this camera, and if you haven't seen any video, you can go check out the link right here. Second thing, the drone, I will show you right now. I got here my DJI Mavic Pro. I have this drone for almost 1 year and it works perfect. I love how small it is, but DJI released the new DJI Mavic Air some weeks ago, which is even smaller, so if you're thinking on getting a drone, I would recommend you to get the new Mavic Air and not this Mavic Pro. The quality is almost the same. You get less battery life, but for the price of the Mavic Pro, you can get the Mavic Air and 2 extra batteries. So in that case, I would go for the Mavic Air. But anyway, this drone is amazing. It shoots 4K, it is small. I got the controller right here, which is also small. And for now, that's everything I need for my shootings. Also, for my drone, I got these ND filters from Newer. These are like sunglasses but for your drone, so you just put it in front of the camera, and what this thing does is reduce the amount of light that will get into the camera. So this is useful for really sunny days when you don't want to get like overexposed shots. Now let's talk about lenses. For all my YouTube videos I have used only 2 lenses, which are the 50mm 1.8 that I'm shooting right now with, and the kit lens, the 16 to 50mm. And I think this lens is underrated because, I mean, some people say that it's not good enough, but I think this is better than the kit lens you get from Nikon or from Canon. It is also small, it is lightweight, and quality is really good. I have used it for professional projects, for my personal projects, and it works perfect. I will still use it. But some weeks ago I just got this new lens. This is a Samyang 12mm 2.0 and the quality is really good. It's a really sharp lens. This is a fast lens because the aperture is 2.0, and it's a wide angle lens, so it's perfect for landscapes, or I will use it for star photography and for all my travel videos. And also it's not that expensive, so if you're looking for a landscape lens, I would definitely recommend it. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that I always look for lenses that are not heavy, because my gimbal that I will show you in a moment doesn't support like really heavy lenses. So these 2 lenses are really lightweight, and also the 50mm is okay and are perfect for the Zhiyun Crane gimbal. And talking about gimbals, this is the Zhiyun Crane M. This is one of the best things I have ever bought. This gimbal is for small mirrorless cameras like the Sony a6000 with a small lens. All the camera movements look really smooth with this gimbal. It's easy to balance. It takes me like 5 minutes of balancing with different lenses, and it's also small. This is the smallest version of the Zhiyun Crane gimbals. They have the Zhiyun Crane version 1, the new Zhiyun Crane version 2. And this is the Zhiyun Crane M, which is the smallest one, and that's what I like it, because when I travel I want to put it in my bag so I can separate the parts and it's good to go. I recently got this dual handle for my Zhiyun Crane gimbal. This is the only thing that I can't fit in my bag, of course, because of this long part. But anyway, I will not use it for my travel videos. I will use it more for my commercial projects or projects in which I have to carry a lot of things and lights and whatever, and that's not a problem. So this is really useful, and I will show you how it looks with the Zhiyun Crane M. Okay, now let's talk about lights. Sometimes I have to shoot at night and I don't want to carry like big lights, So the guys from GVV Gear, they sent me this small little light right here, and when I saw it I thought like, well, this doesn't look like a powerful light, and then I tried it and I was really impressed by the power of this light. I don't know how it looks in camera, but the amount of light that is coming out from this small LED light is just insane. So this is really useful. I would completely recommend to get this light. It's not expensive, and if you buy the light with the link in the description below, you can get a discount. You can get a 25% of discount, so go check it out. Definitely recommend it. It comes with this small bag with 2 pockets, one for the light and one for the USB cable or for whatever you want to fit here. It's small, I can put it in my pocket and it's good to go. Then of course a hard drive, you always need storage, and in this bag I put my hard drive right here and my memories. I have right now 4 memories of 32 gigabytes. This is something you always want to keep in your pocket. Then a power bank, it's really important. You sometimes have to go to places in which you can't get any connection. So if you want to charge your phone or your camera, you got 3 USB ports right here, more than enough. There are plenty of them out there, but you want to get one with a good capacity and also with more than 2 USB ports. That's important. So yeah, a power bank. Of course, extra batteries for the camera. I got 3 extra batteries for my Sony a6000, and small accessories like a small tripod for time-lapse, or to put a light here on an extra camera. Also, this air bump is really useful for cleaning your camera or for cleaning your lenses. For example, you just put it right here, 1, 2, 3, and now it's free of dust. I always keep this in my bag. Sometimes I need to do it before I shooting because I see some dust in the sensor, so it's useful and it's very cheap. Also, I have this lens bag. I think this came with the Samyang 12mm, but I use it for put all my cables, the USB cables, the gimbal charger, the camera charger. I put everything here, and that way I know I will not lose anything. For audio, I recently got this Zoom H1 microphone. I will use it for my YouTube videos like this one, and also for interviews, for events, and I think this is really useful. It's also small, I can fit it in my bag, and it's good to go. That's basically what it's in my camera bag when I have to travel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button, and also we are really close to hit 10,000 subscribers. So I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and if you invite more friends to subscribe, because there will be a surprise for you all when we hit the 10K. So you should definitely consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.
Perfect harmony.